I predicted that we're en route to doing that. And the term around citizen data scientist was coined a while back as we started to see some really interesting companies like Data Robot come in and democratize greater access to data science capabilities. I think we're going to see the same thing in data engineering. We've already seen the introduction of the analytics engineer, really born out from let's call it the DBT era, where we can make more code-based, SQL-based data pipelines in an ELT realm has brought people closer to the data engineering realm. I don't think all the way into true data engineering, where we have to deal with incrementality of data and smart partitioning and all the other fancy stuff. But I think we're getting closer and closer. And that's where I do think that there will be this new citizen data engineer, which we may not end up branding at that. It may be the further advancement of the analytics engineer. But I think that those two realms have the ability to very much combine with the assistance and the empowerment we get from Gen AI.
So could this is an example. Marketing person as a citizen data engineer can say, hey, I'd like to take the Salesforce data I have and merge it with these other sources, with Google ads, LinkedIn ads, other sources. Maybe they use HubSpot as well. Is that kind of like what a future citizen data engineer might look like?
I think it's possible that would be on the fringe, I would say. What we're seeing is the sort of classic data engineering realm of really large volumes of data. You have complex pipelines where you have to do incremental data propagation and that partitioning. That part still tends to sit very much in the depth of the engineering organization. And the analytics engineering team tends to get already the more of the marketing data, the ads data, but not necessarily a lot of the system data, not necessarily a lot of the product data itself. So I think the advantage we're going to start to see is those analytics engineering users and engineers who tend to have more of a SQL skill set are going to be able to work their way upstream and tap into all the way the broader data sets and the more originating data sets, and even bridge into the realm of Python transformations, which I do think are necessary for a number of different workloads, as well as the more sophisticated optimizations you can do around data pipelines, which today I think the analytics realm we're just scratching the surface of.